Hsien Kaohsiung is a well-established hotel located in the heart of Kaohsiung, Taiwan. Known for its elegant design and modern amenities, the hotel offers a range of services including dining options, meeting facilities, and a fitness center. It has 311 rooms, catering to both business and leisure travelers, with comfortable accommodations and convenient access to nearby attractions, such as the Kaohsiung Arena and the Love River. Standard single room 3216. Virtual visit. Here is my objective assessment. Positive points: wonderful view from the room, coffee making facilities, minibar, complimentary water bottles, bathrobe, HBO channel on TV, Japanese toilet, papaya available for breakfast. In my 2 weeks in Taiwan, this is the only hotel breakfast with papaya. Nice indoor pool, very helpful breakfast staff. Standard checkout is 11 a.m. But they gave me a 12 a.m. late checkout. Negative points: the bed felt old and the springs made a squeaky noise. No safe in room, no phone to TV pairing. Lift noise in room. Had to pay extra for sauna. I chose not to use it. Had to wear swimming cap in pool. Don't understand why some hotels impose a swimming cap. That is so 1970s. Location not great, too far from MRT. A Bible and a book of Buddhist sayings. The size of the TV is decent for a small room. There was air conditioning, but the thermostat was a bit old. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are trying to grow the channel, so we would be grateful if you could subscribe. A blue bathrobe. Always nice to have a Japanese toilet. Though the room was small and old, the fantastic view and Japanese toilet made up for it. My rating, 4.2.